In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix the class name is inaccessible due to its protection level error. Let's break it down. This error pops up when you try to access a class, method, or field that is marked private or internal from outside its allowed scope. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have a simple person class with a private field called name. In the code above, we try to access person.name, but C# throws the error. Why? Because name is marked private, which means it can only be accessed inside the person class. To fix this, change the access modifier to public so that the property can be accessed within the scope. If that is not an option, then you can always create a new public property or function that returns the private property value. Here you can see examples of both patterns. Thanks for watching.